Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right into slashing your AI coding costs by maximizing token efficiency.
Are your API bills ballooning while your AI agent literally crawls? You're wasting tokens. Let's fix that.
The real culprit destroying your dev loop? It's not reasoning, it's moving absolute junk information around. Okay, let's dive in. We're covering 3 rapid-fire techniques to completely stop your token bleed today. First up, stop feeding models massive test logs. Use RTK to instantly strip away useless shell output. Honestly, this automatically achieves a massive 60 to 90% token reduction on your daily dev loop. Next, trim the pros. Caveman mode ruthlessly cuts out all that expensive, chatty filler from your outputs.
Just force blunt, zero filler rules in your claude.md file. It literally cuts token waste instantly.
So, how does your agent actually find code? Blindly searching massive repositories means you're paying a premium.
Stop the scavenger hunt. Agents waste thousands of tokens just grubbing files. They desperately need a map.
Tools like Code Review Graph provide an instant architectural blueprint. This replaces brute force file dumps with cheap, structured queries. Telling your agent to check structural context first and only read files as a fallback saves massively.
You can use structural tools like Serena or semantic tools like Claude. Context.
Let's move to step 3. We're going to optimize costs by routing tasks to the absolute right models.
Use cheaper models like Haiku for volume tasks and save those expensive frontier models for complex architecture.
Here's a brilliant power user trick. Plan your architecture with Opus, but execute the code with Sonnet. Ditch bloated single sessions. Delegate to bounded subagents using specific, cheap profiles to preserve that context window. Remember, reasoning isn't actually the expensive part here. The real cost is moving useless information around.
So, what is your cache hit ratio this month? Go implement these techniques immediately and find out.